Hi, my name is Blair Quarry. One of the biggest pain areas for executives is not being able to fully trust their data. Data is often located in disparate systems and used by different teams for work specific to their function, resulting in unclear business definitions or a true, objective understanding of the data. The lack of structure means wasted time on collecting, summarizing, and organizing the data in usable formats. This pulls your team away from their day jobs, forcing them to dedicate unnecessary time and energy into a process that doesn't even yield accurate results. EAG Foundations is comprised of a cloud-based data warehouse solution to unify your data, Power BI reports based on common industry datasets, and a web-based portal for sharing reports. Contact us to learn more.